Yes, yes. Right now, nation people, we see Shabdon come out and send up a certain type of sissy up underneath which part him supposed to go. But hear me, nation people. Right now, I find out say this boy when name Sissy Peas, eh? The only people him text set fan are dancehall artists, entertainers, producers, and ghetto youth. Then?
Yes.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Respect. You see what I say? So, right now, I have a few questions for you. Sissy P, who send you for the entertainer and the ghetto youth them? Sissy P, is it your work for the go along, get along gang? Sissy P, who put an apple in your mouth? Sissy P, who a pay you? How much am I pay you? Yo, remember, you know, this guy's a weak weasel, you know. But just want to remember this, you know. Just remember, you know. Say that guy come out, you know. And say me I deal with some politics watch thing, you know. I remember, you know. Remember the guy, you know. Come out, you know. Say my rights against politicians, you know. And as soon as, you know, him neighbor make a look of buzz in the street, you know. And the politician them hold him and girt him up, you know, my brother. And put an apple in this pussy mouth, you know. You see what I say? Him start, you know, turn, you know, for the entertainer them and the ghetto youth them, you know. I want you to know that, you know. You see what I say? So, from him have this big daddy, where I pay him, who put an apple in his mouth. Him start move like a dog. Say anything him daddy them no like. Him say, them tell him, them call him like a dog. Go sick him, sick him, sick him. And every time them tell him, go sick him, him run like a bulldog. You see me run out on the man them. 87, 89. Yo, how much them a pay you? Or that you want to know. Come here, I tell you something. I tell you from when needs a man stop pay your money. I know say, I just be a gas up your company on the internet with. Me and you talk about Stella. And me and you talk about Notorious Stella. And Ratliff Row. I'm going to tell you something. A year you hear shit. You don't know nothing at all about what you talk about. And that's why I have to stop listening to you. You see what I say? Because I'm a born junglist. You see what I say? I usually see them man there every single day. You see what I deal with? Where you talk about a be a fuckery. You know what I mean? Yeah. So from here you start talking about them man there at the last day that I listen to you, my brother. So all of the people them where they are gas up on the internet. People love bumbucklad fuckery and love illusion. That's what people love. That's what I say. If people never love that, they look up past them and couldn't come trick the people them, trick the people them and take with them money and deal with them some wicked way. That's what I say. That couldn't did happen. That's what I deal with. But at them shit that people love. Some look at gas up thing and illusion. If you are so credible, Sissy P, then like oh you want people to believe. How is it? It's just the ghetto youth them and the entertainer them alone in a set pan. My belief is that my own opinion, fair use YouTube. I believe them gas up this youth for sick him from people, and when him come out on them platform and make a nice about them, then the police can corner them and set them up in anything them want to do. You see what I say? No joking shit not dead about it. You know what I mean? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? The people them know police Police is a thing. When them corner people, them will put shit for you, joke shit not dead about that. You see what I say? Chucky Brown talk out all of that in a courthouse. Them shit them shit that dep on the internet and in the files. You see what I say? A criminal and law and justice. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Them old man and put on thing for man and them thing there. You see what I deal with? To sink them on them shit there. Yo, believe me. This, if you are so fucking credible, what I say, it's only the entertainers them alone, and only the ghetto youth them alone, and them alone are create that crime there. Then, and them are create that crime there, on the street, don't it? And them alone are create crime in the country, don't it? Eh? One to the politician them. Eh? One to the society people them. One to the people them who are import, be a gun trade and drugs trade and them shit there. One to them people there. One to the people them who are thief off the money. And this is what I say, and I suffer poor people more and more. Eh? You don't know nothing about them people there. The only people you know about are entertainers and the ghetto youth them. You search for them. You see, when your big daddy will pay you who put an apple in your mouth, send you and tell you if you go sick him. Because the youth them rise up big too quick and I get too successful. You see what I say? And your daddy will put an apple in your mouth will pay your boy, tell you, yo, go put some confrontation on him. Because he rise up too big. That's what happened. Eh? Sissy, who will pay your boy? Eh? Why not leave Shabdon alone, boy? Eh? Why not leave Shabdon alone? You call up the man name how much time? Right now police hold on for one of the man virgin with knockies. Alright, you not satisfied now? No, that not satisfy you. You come for the man. You a vampire. Or the man's soul you come for, boy. You's a vampire. Eh? It come like a you I obtained it sing boat in a boy. A you I obtained it sing boat. Eh? Sell out the ghetto youth for bread. So we have to stop CCP with a peg. Pan him. Are you I obtained sing the blood clot song for? Sell out the ghetto youth for bread. So we have to stop CCP with a peg. Pan in Babylon system we burn the fire red. Pain and judgment over them head. Them wickedy. Sell out the ghetto youth. CCP. Let me tell you something, you know. You can't trick enough youth, you know, because them light the gas up, you know. And the fan dangles, you know. You can't trick me, you know, boy. You see what I say? Young girl have strength for job people, you know, my brother. Young girl have strength for the ghetto youth, them, you know. And the artists, them, you know. That's all you have strength for, you know. Room full. No gimmicks thing not that about it. Respect my brother. That's all you do, CCP. You have strength for the ghetto youth, them, don't it? Yeah, man. No, nobody else, don't it? And the entertainers them. Or just them people they alone you have strength for. Let me tell you something, you ain't nothing but a sissy, my brother. Now give me, you're not credible. You see what I say? You act like you're credible, you're not.
I like your coat.
Thank you.
Very stylish.
Thank you. Alright. Yeah. You know, shot people, you know me and youth have passion for fashion. They know they at all people see me and them not like something. Why I? Kick out. Watch. You see what I say? Come to some man. Eh? Yeah, only the ghetto you people them alone you have strength for the poor people them, don't it? You don't have strength for nobody else, right? You don't have no strength for nobody else. You don't have no strength for the criminal police them. You don't have no strength for the criminal politician them. You don't have no strength for the people them who are steal off the money and suffer the ghetto people them. You don't have no strength for them people there. I just entertainers and ghetto youth you have strength for, don't it? Eh? Me tell you something, man. Tell the boy them will put an apple in your mouth, say. The ghetto youth them are gonna rise up in a boy. No wonder why you have to hide behind a scream, and not only hide your face alone, you have to hide even your voice. You see what I say? So that alone show me say you are somebody where you're not credible, you're hiding. You see what I say? Because we see we alone some I take on politicians, I take on the government, and I talk to and I interview a whole heap of sophisticated people who are in a position and him not hide and do it. You see what I say? Him not hide and do it. Him face show up big platform. But you boy, I go like you're credible when you're nothing but a big sissy. You see what I deal with? I want people to believe you're credible. You're not. You see what I say? Shabdon, don't follow up this little sissy, you know. But me know we're all human. And when boy I take set, you know what I mean? That will trigger off any man, any moment, anytime. Because boy I take set for a man like him is a bitch. You see what I say? Yeah. And from a boy I take set for you, you know what time it is. You know what I mean? Man nah go really into that type of calamity there with no sissy boy. You see what I deal with? Aye, good. Yeah. It must straight sissy. You see what I deal with? I feel like him can come chat to real man. Leg off a Shabba name now, boy. Leg off the man name now, sissy boy. What's wrong with you? Leg off the man name now, sissy boy. I want to you. Eh? Shabuski no laugh with them boy then. They have to pay them boy then no mind, you know. You see what I say? They have to pay them boy then no mind, you know, dog. Because you don't know, you know. All of the real people, you know who, you know. Who is that boy there, you know, and where am I work for, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, no gimmicks thing there boy about it, and him have a lot of people who are run behind him. Just to the type of gas up, him ain't doing shit, he ain't doing nothing in other country, whatever him a chat about, not self-solving, no crime. But after the boy them he want to work for. Because when he come out, he with a deal with politics thing, and as soon as them curse him up and put an apple in his mouth, you know what I mean? I just the ghetto youth them and the entertainer them him attack. You see what I say? And when I say him not no proof, him not have no proof, it's not credible, him not have no proof, no evidence, nothing at all about what I say, him just a chat. So when him chat, police can go circle up the youth them when them corner the youth them and put anything at all on the youth them. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that about it. But the big artist God give me a little say no Shabba. Who that keep it his mouth, keep it his life. Boy you go on wicked, try not go on bright. Tell your family and friend to prepare your night. Cause if me buck him a day and if me buck him a night, I can bet you on win it. Now go be a pretty side cause some two hurry come up, some two force right boy fit. Jungle is when I spear no head. For boss up in a sissy for head boy fit. Jungle is when I spear no head. Go for boss up in a sissy. Two time I run hard and things I run red before me sell my petrol, me save them instead. Because me not take no sorry and me not take no hush. As a boy this me just bust him. We no ram, we no joke, we no play no skin up. We carry crocodile hard and iguana. Boy fit, jungle is we not spear no. Go For bust up in a sissy pit. What? Shabdon, big up yourself. You know a 10 star the general and you know I'm represent already. Gaza way, there ain't no other way. Try remember that same sissy boy they try bring down the general vibes cartel and popcorn. And when the two man them laugh off him and run with sissy, him shame like Tom Dooley. And the general, the 10 star one I represent. What? Fuck sweet sissy P.